Hello and welcome to this Concord Help Center video. This video focuses how to sort your lists and folders within the List Manager. There are four main ways to sort your lists and folders within the List Manager. First, click on the Sort Options drop-down menu towards the top of the manager. You can see that you can sort your lists and folders by their name or alphabetically. You can sort your lists and folders by the date they were created for the first time. You can sort them by date modified, so the last time that they were changed or edited. And then finally, we offer a custom sort for your lists and folders. Let's start with name sort. You can enable that by clicking in this circle here under name. Once that's enabled, all my lists and folders will be sorted alphabetically from A to Z. I can choose reverse alphabetical sort by opening up my sort options and then clicking A to Z, and that will reverse my order. Additionally, I can sort my lists and folders into groups according to the first letter of the name. So if I open up my sort options again and then click on grouped, it will then group my lists and folders according to that first letter. If I click on A, it'll show me all my lists and folders that start with the letter A. Same thing if I click on F. I'll see my lists that start with the letter F. The next sort option is date created. I can enable date created if I'd like to see my lists and folders sorted according to the date that I created them. You can see to the right of every list name is a date. This is the date these lists and folders were created. If I'd like to reverse that order and go from oldest to newest, I can open back up my sort options and then click on the clock icon, and this will reverse my order. Similarly to name sort, I can also group my lists and folders according to the month that they were created. If I click grouped, you'll see that my lists are grouped according to month. The next sort option is date modified. When you enable this type of sort, your lists will be sorted according to the last time that they were modified, changed, or edited. That means anytime you move a citation or you edit a citation, add a text box, that will count as modifying your list. So when I show my list here, now the dates represent the last time these lists were modified. I can choose to do a reverse order by clicking on the clock icon, and I can group them by clicking grouped, and I can see the last time my lists were modified by month. So in this most recent month, I can see that I modified these four lists. The final sort option is a custom sort. So you'll open up the sort options menu and then click on the plus icon to add a custom sort. When you do that, you'll be prompted to enter in a name for your sort. I like to call mine custom. And then you can click new sort. You can see now it's activated. Now I can drag and drop my lists and folders into my desired order. So I can move inspiration over here. And let's say I want to drag and drop this folder, Sunday Scripturals, to be near Bible lessons. I can just click and hold and drag, waiting for this green drop zone. To create a new custom sort, go to Sort Options, and then click on the trash can icon to delete your custom sort. Then click Yes, and you'll be able to add a new sort. We hope you found this video useful. If you have any questions, please contact us at concord@csps.com, and we'd be happy to help you out. Happy studying!